You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break it down. How to pronounce this word in English. This is the singular. If you want to learn how to pronounce the plural, which is spelled, the spelling is C-R-I-S-E-S as the plural, S-E-S rather than S-I-S. This is singular. Crisis. Crisis. Both British and American pronunciations are similar here. A crisis. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.